Okay, Centro Comercial Teatro Capital. So this used to be a cinema, and now it's kind of a cool little space. So we're gonna take the camera in, just kind of check it out and see what's all in it. And before we go in, we'll just kind of show you the street that we're in. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so yep, we're on the street. It's kind of a typical, you got black and white tiles. You have this kind of cool little street right here, this little alley. This is pretty interesting just to stroll down as well, but we're gonna be focusing on this Teatro. This used to be a, down there is a Portuguese bookstore, by the way. And down there is the Portuguese embassy. And this one goes to, well, you can go all the way to Lisboa, Casino Lisboa from there. This one goes down to Sao Paulo ruins, and then this one goes to Estado Square. But we're gonna go check out this commercial building. And it's kind of cool. It used to be a cinema, but now it's closed down, of course. But you have all these shops in here now. So you got all kinds of little stuff. Like this one, kebab. Then we also have this whole side too. And then you have, just go up that way. So way up there is where the old cinema used to be. So we're gonna take the camera up, see how far we can get. So yeah, now it just has a bunch of tiny little shops everywhere. A barbershop. Then it's kind of old architecture too, right? And then like tiny little shops, so I think the rent is a little bit lower, so you'll get more interesting things. Here's the online store, so I guess you can order stuff online and get sun chips and all kinds of interesting stuff. Huh. Garlic briquette sun chips from Korea. Okay, got sports cards. So you can get NBA. Let's just keep, we're gonna go all the way up to try to get to the Liz's house, which I guess is closed. Day catch, I guess it's like kind of a game place. Little boutique shops, little game place. Let's keep on going up. Lings. So this used to be a tarot place. This has been closed for a while. Souvenirs from Macau. Yiki Studio. Let's go up one more. And then up here is where the old theater used to be, which is going to be where we're going to end the video. 1844 Macau. Coffee shop. Okay, there's a DJ studio. Huh. And here's another tarot shop. Fiona Kim, next to Oroman. Closed down. And then down here is, I don't know if it's fully closed or temporarily closed. So, you know, some people, they might not be able to come back to Macau because of Corona. I mean, if you're ethnic Chinese, you can, but if you're not, that person could be, you know, Canada, who knows? Nobody knows. I don't know. Somebody knows. Not me, though. Okay, here's the old cinema. And it's got all the movie posters, too. Peace Hotel. Here's the, Chinese ghost story, it says. Fist of Fury. A lot of stuff from Hong Kong, China. I wonder which ones are from. Here's Jackie Chan. Snake and Eagle Shadow. A little bit of a glare. Okay, and then that would have been the theater at once upon a time. But now it's closed and it's also nighttime, but let's just step back just a little bit. Then you can kind of capture the feeling. So people probably would have lined up for the cinemas for years, right? Right in this spot. Yeah, now it's closed. But the boutique shops make it interesting. And that's where we came down from, down there. So I guess we'll end it in the same spot. Oh no, we'll end it right here. Get a little closer. Teatro Capital. Chiquinha.